Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the specification of the cable. Subscribe this channel for more electrical videos and course material. The course material link is given in the description box and video link also given in the description box related to the wiring, electrical wiring. Now we'll see the specification of the cable. So that is classified based on the size of the cable. It is classified based on size of the cable. Based on that we can see what type of cable and what is the maximum current carrying capacity. Right, it is classified based on the size, so that it is classified into type, what type, and maximum current carrying capacity. So first we will see the first type, 1 bar 18. 1 bar 18 means single stranded. Only single strand means only one coil is available. One number of 18 gauge. So gauge is nothing but the dimension for a wire. The gauge, it will give the thickness of the wire, thickness of the cable. Right. So 1 bar 18 means it is single stranded, single coil. Only single coil is available. One number of 18 gauge. So this 1 refers one coil, 18 refers 18 gauge. So what is the capacity? This is 5 ampere. It will carry up to maximum of 5 ampere and 230 voltage. The voltage is 230 for all the cables. All the type carry 230. Only the current will differ. So 5 amperes. It will take maximum current of 5 ampere. The second type is 3 bar 20. So 3 means is single stranded. In that 3 numbers of 20 gauge cable will be available. So that is from the number itself we can easily identify. 3 means it is a 3 number of 20 gauge conductor is available. So previous one only one conductor with 18 gauge. Here 3 conductors with 20 gauge. So when the gauge increases, the thickness also increases. Automatically the current also increases. So here 15 amperes. Right. So previously only 5 ampere. Now we have 3 conductors with 20 gauge. So it will able to cable maximum current carrying capacity of 15 amperes. The voltage will be remain 230 voltage. Then we'll go to the third type, 7 bar 20. Again from the name itself we can easily identify it is a single stranded, only single coil. 7 numbers of 20 gauge conductor will be available. 20 gauge wires are available. So the name itself it is available. 7 numbers of 20 gauge. Gauge is nothing but thickness of the conductor. So here the gauge is 20 and 7 numbers are available. So automatically the capacity will increases 25 amperes. So this type of cable will able to carry the maximum current of 25 ampere. The voltage remains same, 230 voltage. Then the next type is 7 bar 16. So this is single stranded. 7 numbers of 16 gauge cables are available. There are 7 numbers of 16 gauge cables are available. So it will carry maximum of 40 amperes. So the 7 numbers available. So automatically it will able to carry 40 amperes. The current, the voltage remains same, 230 voltage. Then we'll go to the next type. So far what we discuss is a single stranded. All are single stranded. The numbers are available. The capacity also given. Now we'll go to the remaining types. So it is given 12 millimeter. The size of the conductor is given 12 millimeter. The thickness or radius. So this is coming under multi-stranded. Multi-stranded means 12 millimeter thickness of n number of coils are available. What we discussed earlier is only one conductor is available. Only one. Now here multi-stranded. So the current carrying capacity is 5.11 amperes. Sorry, 5 to 11 amperes, not 5.11. 5 ampere to 11 ampere. It will able to carry 5 ampere to 11 amperes. Voltage remains same, 230 voltage. Then 1.52 millimeter. Multi-stranded. Multi-stranded means n number of coils are available with this thickness. 10 to 15 amperes. It will be able to carry 10 to 15 amperes. The voltage remains same, 230 voltage. The third type is 2.52 millimeter with multi-stranded. N number of coils will be there. So this will be not 12 millimeters, 1.2 millimeter. So when the millimeter increases, size increases, the current increases. Not a 12, it is a 1.2 millimeter. So able to carry 5 to 11 amperes. 1.52 millimeter means 10 to 15 ampere. 2.52 means 15 to 20 amperes. So the size of the conductor increases, ampere also increases. So this will be 1.2. Then 42 millimeter is also multi-stranded. Now see this 2.52 now increased to 42. So current carrying capacity also increases 20 to 25 amperes. It can able to carry up to maximum of 20 to 25 ampere. The voltage remains same, 230 voltage. Then we go to the 62 millimeter. Is also a multi-stranded. So we able to carry the current up to 40 amperes. The voltage remains same, 230. So starting from 1.2, 1. This is a standard size of conductors available in the market. So according to our requirement, we can choose any one of these conductor. Whether we need 5 to 11 ampere, this is so up to 11 amperes. Here 15 amperes maximum, 20 ampere, 25 ampere, 40 ampere. We can concentrate the maximum current. What is the maximum current carried by these conductors? Right? Suppose if we want to a wiring of 20 ampere means we need to choose this 2.52, or we need 40 amperes. The total capacity what we need 40 amperes mean we can choose this 62 ampere, 62 millimeter. So these are all the standard size available in the market. We'll see the remaining type. 102 millimeter is also a multi-stranded 102 millimeter. So it will carry up to 60 amperes. Able to carry maximum current capacity is 60 amperes. Then 162 millimeter. The size is 162 millimeter. It is also a multi-stranded. Then able to carry 80 amperes. Maximum of 80 amperes. Right. So here the size increases, the current also increases. So in this video we discuss what are the specification of the cable, what are the standard size of the cable available in the market. Then we discuss whether it is multi-stranded or single stranded. Then current carrying capacity. Based on our current requirement, we can choose any one of this cable for the wiring installation. So subscribe this channel for more videos related to the electrical wiring and other electrical topics. Thank you.